We have our brand new Biomedical Engineering Lab and Makerspace. These are custom designed spaces. This space here is going to provide a place for students from across the university to come together and collaborate. Students in the Biomedical Engineering program are going to get hands-on experience with the kind of equipment that they're actually going to see in a clinical application or in industry. In the Makerspace, they're really going to learn about how to build things, get experience with different kinds of fabrication tools. So when they graduate, they will have built lots of the kind of skills that employers are looking for. Collaboration skills, design skills, fabrication skills, creativity and creative thinking. That's the kind of thing that's going to come out of having this kind of facility.